Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your AI acronym individual giving you AVAD, a verse a day. Okay, so it goes like this. Have you ever noticed? Actually, the topic is all about popularity. Have you ever noticed how schools of fish swim in the same direction? If one turns to the right or left, the rest follow. When the religious leaders asked John the baptizer to baptize them, John smelled something fishy. He knew they weren't sincere and were only followed the crowd in the latest religion trend. John set them straight in Matthew chapter 3 verse 7 where it goes like this. A voice cries out in the desert, prepare the way to the Lord, make his path straight. Our promises to God will be broken if they are based on peer pressure and not on a sincere commitment to change. If no one thought it was cool to follow God, would you still follow him? To follow Jesus is to carry our cross. The path is crooked in following Jesus Christ. When you follow Jesus Christ, while you are walking in that crooked path, later on you will see the straight path leading to righteousness. In our life, there are a lot of believers, or shall we say, they say that God, I believe in you, or Jesus, I believe in you, but then it's only on words. They do not put it into action. Keng kapampangan po, ela, detang mananampalatayang takatakiki mo. Dapen, nung nuka rin agos, takikila mo. But they're not sincere. They're not sincere in their hearts. God knows the desire of our hearts. Only God